Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Mastodon app not working. Sometimes when you have a slower internet connection or unstable internet connection, your app might not work. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It does not matter whether you're using cellular data or Wi-Fi network, you just need to have a stable internet connection. Once you are sure that the internet is not the problem that is causing the application to lag, you need to clear cache stored in the app. Cache is old data stored in your device, so when sometimes there is new feature in the app and you still have the old data stored, your app might not function properly. In order to clean cache, you have to open your settings app. Scroll until you find the apps. Once you find the app, tap it. You can either scroll until you find the Mastodon app or also can search from the search icon here. Search Mastodon. Once you find Mastodon app, tap it open. Here you can see details about the app. Tap on storage. If you look at the bottom right corner, you will see clear cache options. You simply have to tap on it to clear cache. If you see 0 here, then that means you have successfully cleared cache. Your app should be working perfectly fine now. However, if you still have problem opening the app, then you can simply try reinstalling it. So in order to reinstall it, you have to uninstall it first. Hold on the Mastodon app and you will see this message pop up. You simply have to tap on uninstall and tap on OK to confirm its uninstallation. You can then head to Play Store to download Mastodon app. If you are not sure on how to do it, you can check out our other video. I hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.